Hey y'all, it's Gifty, the gift to your hair. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to properly install iTip extensions. Right now I'm doing the prep work before starting the installment of my client's hair. The hair that I used in this installment, it's Deep Wave 14 inches. This is a package deal. You get the hair and install all together, which comes with the wash and prepping of the hair plus styling. Right now we're going to go into the styling of the hair. She wants to do a half up, half down. I have various textures available. You have deep wave, yaki straight, afro curly. So if you're interested in getting eye tips, we can find your texture, what's going to work best for you and what you will like. Also, I will have a removal video for this one, so stay tuned. I will show you guys what we actually ended up doing, because we decided to like remove the whole thing and put a different texture in. And yeah, but right now I'm just using water and mousse to just define the curls in the back. We decided to change the texture because I felt like this texture didn't fully match. My client wanted it. The original texture was going to use with the Yaki Straight. So when she comes back in for her maintenance, I'm going to remove this entire install and install the Yaki Straight, and then we're going to style that up. But I'm using mousse and water just to define this. If you are interested in this texture, this is our deep wave texture in 14 inches. We used about 2.5 to 3 packs of eye tips to do full head with leave out on the perimeter and back, so you can do ponytails, half up, half downs in multiple different styles. This install takes about 5 to 6 hours to do the whole install. Price range is about, check out the description box. I'll put in my prices. If you're interested in a install with hair provided, it's about $720, and it goes up depending on the length of hair and texture that you're interested in. So we're just gonna do a half up, half down style, and look at that, y'all. After I did the half up, half down, here's how everything looked. Thank you so much for watching today. I showed you how to do a detailed eye tip installment using Gifty Deep Wave hair. You can book this service, link down below.